Entrepreneurial Ventures. Elevator pitches are vital tools for entrepreneurs seeking to communicate their business ideas effectively, whether to potential investors or clients. Tailoring your pitch to the audience's interests and needs is essential in this scenario. One, conveying business ideas succinctly. Entrepreneurs often have innovative and complex business ideas that needs to be communicated succinctly. Craft an elevator pitch that distills the essence of your business idea into a clear and compelling message. Highlight the problem you are solving, your unique solution, and the potential impact of your venture. For instance, if you're pitching a new mobile app, succinctly outline its key feature, the problem it addresses, and the value it offers to users. A concise speech demonstrates your understanding of your own venture and your ability to communicate it effectively. Two, capturing investor interest. While seeking investors, your elevator pitch should showcase the business opportunity and why it's worth their investment. Highlight your market research, potential for growth, and the unique value your venture brings to the market. Use quantitative data to support your claims and illustrate your venture's financial potentials. Remember, investors are looking not just for a good idea, but also a viable business. Convey your passion and commitment and be prepared to answer questions that might arise from your pitch. Number three, pitching to potential clients. Pitching to potential clients require emphasizing how your product or service solves their specific problems. Tailor your pitch to showcase the benefits and the value your offering provides. Highlight your track records, testimonials, or case studies that demonstrate your ability to deliver results. For example, if you're offering a web design service, your pitch should focus on how your design enhance user experience, drive engagement, and ultimately lead to increased conversations for clients' businesses.